Now we are discussing about this picture. Then we are calculating how many angles of this picture. Then first question is how many angles are there in the picture. Then one picture is given. You find out the how many angles. How to find out the angles? We already discussed what is angles. Two rays meet at one end point is called angles. Then this is, look at, this is one angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then what is this? 5, 6, 7. Then any more angles? 7. Here. 8, 9. How many angles? 9 angles. Then here all are the one vertex. So two rays meet at one point, so making angles. Then how many angles are there? 9 angles. Okay. Now we are write the naming of these angles. How to naming of these angles? Do you know that? Okay. Then first of all we are write this angle. What is this? FAB. What is F? This angle. This vertex. A is the name. FAB. First one FAB. The second one is this. ABC. Angle ABC. Second, this is the vertex. So we can write BCD. Angle BCD. The next vertex is here. Okay. Then what is this here? EDC. EDC or CDE. Both are same. CDE or EDC. Both are same. So we can write CDE. This over. Then again what is this? This one what? Angle FGE. Angle FGE. Then here is making the two angles. First one AFG. Second one GFE. You are making the two angles. First one angle AFG. Next angle AFG. Next angle GFA. GFE. Then what is the next step? This is, here making the two angle. First one is DEG. Angle DEG. Second one is what? GEF. GEF. Okay. Then how many angles you are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 angles. We are finding out how many angles is here? 9 angles. Now we are naming this 9 angles of this. Understood? Then some questions are given in your textbook. You do it. Now we have finished our second chapter. Now we are going to start our third chapter. What is the third chapter? Then now we have finished our first chapter and second chapter. So in the second chapter, so many questions given in your textbook, you do it. Okay children. Then now we are discussing this third chapter, equal sharing. What is the equal sharing? This chapter is always depending upon the division. Division. How to do the division? First of all, you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Understood? First, you do one thing. You should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Then I say can't to study this chapter. So before the beginning this chapter, first of all, you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Then the third chapter, equal sharing. Then what is the question? The total price of 4 pens is 48 rupees. All of the same prices. What is the price of 1 pen? This is our third chapter. Then one example is right here. This example. The chapter 3. The total number of pens. What is the total number of pens is what? Pens is equal to what? Total pens is equal to 4. Then what is the total price? Total price is equal to what? 48. Total price is 48. How to find out the price of 1 pen? price of 1 pen. What is the question? The 4 pens have 48 rupees. We want to calculate the 1 pen, how much rupees of 1 pen. Understood? How to calculate the total price is given, the number of pen is given. How to find out the 1 pen price? Do you know that? Do you know? Then the price of 1 pen equal to 48 divided by 4. This is what this is the division. This is the symbol of division. What is this? A symbol of division. Understood? Then the total price is given. We want to find out the one price of one thing cost. You should do the division. Understood? So 48 divided by 4. Do you know the table 4? Table 4, do you know? Then 48 divided by 4. First of all, you are using the table 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 is here. 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. You do the subtraction. 0. Then 8 is write down. 8, how many times? 4, how many times in 8? Then you first of all, you say the multiplication table 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. How many times? 4 how many times? In 8? 2 times. So we can write 2 here. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8 what is? 0. Then what is the price of 1 pen equal to? 12. Price of 1 pen equal to 12 rupees. 1 pen equal to 10 rupees. Then 1 pen equal to 12 rupees. This way you can do the division. Then you first of all you do one thing. First you should study the multiplication table 1 to 10. Otherwise you can't to understand this chapter. Okay children, and in today's class we have finished our second chapter and we are starting our third chapter. Then if you have any doubt you ask me, now the class start. Okay children, we will catch up later.